Looking for a fun and effortless way to earn exciting rewards? Look no further. In this video, I'll introduce you to a fantastic free app that allows you to earn rewards simply by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and so much more. Imagine getting rewarded for doing things you already enjoy. With this incredible app, you'll not only have a blast, but also have the chance to redeem your points for amazing prizes. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your spare time into rewarding experiences. Watch the video now and start earning today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Say hello to a world of endless opportunities. With GG2U.org, you can turn your spare time into valuable rewards. Whether you're waiting in line, commuting to work, or just relaxing at home, you can start earning right away. GG2U allows you to earn exciting rewards simply by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and much more. The more you engage with the app, the more rewards you earn. It's that simple. You can also earn extra money by promoting GG2U. Refer your friends to the app, and you will get 5% of their earnings forever. What sets this app apart is its user-friendly interface and intuitive design. It is incredibly easy for anyone to navigate and start earning rewards. No complicated signups or confusing instructions. Just a straightforward platform that puts your earnings in your hands. When you receive earnings from GG2U coins and silver tokens, it gets credited to your account balance. Once you have reached just $7, you can request a payout to your PayPal account or to your Bitcoin wallet at Coinbase. So why wait? Start earning rewards today with GG2U app. Discover a world of fun activities that reward you for your time. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join the thousands of satisfied users who are already reaping the benefits. Get rewarded for doing what you love. In the end, if you liked this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.